Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's video, I will guide you through the login process for the CTBC Bank mobile app step by step. So let's get started. First, open the CTBC Bank mobile app on your smartphone. If you have not installed it yet, head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for CTBC Bank, download and open the app. Now tap on the login button. So once the app is open, you'll be on the login screen. At the top, there's a space to enter your user ID. So this is the ID you created when you registered for mobile or internet banking. Enter it. Next, enter your password in the field below. Make sure it's correct and case sensitive. And to the right of the password box, you'll notice an eye icon. Tap that if you'd like to view what you are typing. If you have already set up a biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint, you'll see those options on the screen too. Just tap it to log in instantly and securely. Now, if you have forgotten your user ID or password, don't worry. Just tap Forgot ID or Password below the login button and follow the steps to recover your information. And now once your user ID and password are in, go ahead and tap the login button and you'll be logged in within seconds and taken to your account dashboard where you can manage your funds, transfer money and pay bills, all from your phone. And that's how easy it is to log into CTBC Bank mobile app. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.